YouTube, what's up guys? A little bit of clickbait there. Hope everyone's having a great day. I wanted to do a little bit of clickbait because I just kind of wanted to go over this and see how expensive the Lotus is. Why do I say that? Because it is a lot more expensive than my normal cars that I like to buy. So I'll show you the part that it cost me $1,000. It's pretty expensive, but let's go ahead and jump into the box and I'll show you what I ordered. I'm actually really happy that I got it. I'll show you what's inside the box. I already opened it. It looks amazing. All right, let's look what I spent all my money on. This is so expensive, but I had to have it. I could not have this. It was actually pretty difficult to find. I bought this car about 6 or 7 months ago and had been looking for this one piece the entire time due to my front end clam having a bump on it. So that being said, this is the part that I had to get. Look at this, it's down in there. Ooh. So, what is this? You guys see what that is? Oh, it looks so good. That right there is a driver side Lotus EXIGE 2008 and above headlight. So hard to find. Bam, there it is. What's so special about this headlight? So the very special thing about it is it's different. The 2007, I believe, or 2008, I think it's 2007, came with a different backing. The ones that I just recently sold is not a single case like this. It's in a couple pieces and it's actually built into the clam. This is a must-have for my Lotus EXIGE clam 2008 and above. So that being said, I was really thankful to find this, but this one driver side, just the driver side, not both headlights, but literally just the driver side right there, it cost me $1,000. I cannot believe that. You could get, and they're not special. Like honestly, the quality is not even that great. This is an OEM one. You can see the OEM part number. It's not even that great. It's just so crazy. These headlights you can find on a CELICA or an MR2. Well, MR2 is a little expensive, but on a CELICA or even an Evo for under $100 or like right around 115 bucks. So this is 10 times the cost, which is just crazy. But I'm really glad that I was able to find it. So let me go ahead and show you the other pair the other set that I have. Boom, just like that, I have the final piece de resistance, the parts that I needed. I had to have these. So hard to find. I did test fit them both. They both work with the OEM wire harness. So if you look right here, these are the clips that I'll use right there. Oh, one's falling over. Good thing I have that there. Here's the other OEM wire harness clip. And then these also all plug in. What I will end up doing, I think, is that there's these little cute, I think it's this one right here. They're cute little flashers right here. They're like daytime running lights. What I'll do is I'll come over to my driver side and passenger side, and I will take the indicator, this right here, and I'm getting better at wiring. I'm not the best, but I'm getting better at wiring. And I'll take this and wire it. So there's that plug and play. Look at that, perfect. I'll take this part right here and I will wire it. I will wire it to this. Let's see here, this cute little one up here. See, one of them has one and one of them doesn't, but I'll put an LED in there, one of mine from MITCHDORE.COMHOW, which I'm sure will fit in here, an LED in there, and then it'll be indicated from up there. So when I go and turn it, it'll provide power and flash, which will be pretty cool. So I was thinking about not having an indicator, which I mentioned last video. I'll have an indicator. I don't want to get hit or anything in my super rare car or my ELISE because I don't have an indicator. You You can see my clam, it got scratched right here. It's very, very flush. I'm nervous to work on this lens, but I will do it myself. But I'm nervous to work on this. If anyone has any recommendations how to buff this off, it's so faint. It's not a very big gouge at all. It's really, really minor. So I think I'm just gonna sand the whole thing down and then get it to one level and then polish it all off. Kind of like I do with normal headlights to get a nice shine out of it. This one's in pretty much immaculate condition. It looks brand new. The guy that sold it to me did a really, really good job, but I can't believe I paid $1,000 for this piece of plastic. That is insane. $1,000. Keep in mind, I got a front clam and a headlight for $600. So that is just so crazy expensive. It was a really hard pill to swallow. $1,000 for a headlight. You know, those are the things that the prices start when you start to get in a cool car. They do cost more to build. You know, that's like a third of a turbo kit for a CELICA or a nice turbo for an Evo. You can get a really nice turbo for an Evo for like $1,400, and I got one headlight. I mean, that's a whole turbo for an Evo, which is crazy. You get like 100 horsepower to that, but I got one headlight. You know, if you were to get up to like a Gallardo, a Lamborghini, and it has a damaged headlight, that might be another thing where it's like, you know, how much can you justify of spending it on the car? It's not the same, because you could buy so many parts with $1,000 from a headlight. So I bit the bullet, and I did get the headlight. I am happy. I do have them both. They are really nice. It's exactly what I needed. When I get the clam done, it'll be mind-blowing how cool it is. I think I do want to get new seals around here. They come with like a little rubber seal. I think I will run those because I don't want to really scratch that new painted clam. But yeah, we're on our way. I mean, that's a big deal. The next thing that I had arrived is from Greg's Racing's parts. These are the LOTUS EXIGE carbon fiber hardware kit. So that's going to be able to mount my side intake scoops right here that are going to be carbon fiber versus the faded plastic. This car just sat forever, so I mean, it's not like the car ever really saw any daylight. It just, there was so much dirt and grime. That was the same thing when I cleaned the front of this. There was so much dirt and grime. But that's the next video I think that I'll do, is install those. I also ordered a new radio right there, so that'll be another video. I'll do that one, but I'm still loving this current setup. I think it looks so amazing. I also ordered the carbon fiber ring for the steering wheel, which I'll do a tutorial on how to do that. But that was just crazy. This is crazy. It's hard for me to swallow. $1,000 on a headlight, 1,000 something on it, 1,000 and change. I'll put the whole dollar amount. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. We will be doing probably those carbon fiber intakes next, which are awesome. Those are gonna be really, really cool parts. I got the clam painted. I got all my stuff getting painted. We're on the right track. I probably will install the wing back here. Let me know if you guys think I should do that, or I might do a high style. You guys think I should do a high style where it kind of mounts over here, so I'd have to have these filled in and then have it mounted over here and then have it high, kind of like my TRD wing that I showed you guys in that funny video. But what do you guys think? Should I do the carbon fiber one, or should I might go back and actually do that 2010 EXIGE style. Someone said to do it because I'm doing an EXIGE front end. Why not do a big wing on the back as well? So that's going to be exciting. I'm also going to get a new exhaust because I want a center exit right down here. And then I'll also do a tutorial of the whole turbo kit that's installed on here once I get a little bit more time with it and once I change the oil and whatnot. Again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. $1,000. I could not believe it. Next video, again, carbon fiber. I'll see you then.